Imagine a keyboard that sounds like raindrops on a marble floor and lasts for weeks on a single charge. The AULA F99 Pro is making some massive promises for a mid-range board, but can it actually deliver that premium custom feel right out of the box? At first glance, this 96% layout hits that perfect sweet spot for anyone who needs a number pad for work, but wants to keep their desk looking clean and minimal. The side-printed PBT keycaps give it a stealthy, high-end aesthetic that immediately sets it apart from your typical gaming peripherals. But the real magic is hidden under the hood. AULA has gone all out with a gasket structure and 5 layers of sound-dampening material, including an integrated silicone pad and single-key PCB slotting. What that means for you is a typing experience that feels incredibly soft and elastic, producing that sought-after creamy sound that usually requires hours of manual modding. The pre-lubed linear switches are buttery smooth right from the first keystroke, making it just as satisfying for a long coding session as it is for a late-night gaming marathon. Speaking of marathons, the 8,000 mAh battery is an absolute beast, providing enough juice to keep the RGB glowing for a long time without reaching for a cable. You can jump between 5 different devices using Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or a wired connection, which is a lifesaver if you are constantly switching between a PC, a laptop, and a tablet. The multifunction control knob is the cherry on top, letting you toggle between volume control and lighting effects with a simple long press. It feels tactile and responsive, adding a layer of physical utility that you quickly realize you cannot live without. Whether you are recording macros for a competitive edge or just enjoying the music rhythm lighting effects, the F99 Pro feels like a tool designed by people who actually love keyboards. It manages to bridge the gap between a professional workstation and a hardcore gaming setup without compromising on either. If you are looking for a board that sounds expensive, feels premium, and handles everything you throw at it, this is an amazing all-rounder that sets a new standard for what a pre-built keyboard can be.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.